Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the 70x4K T800 3-channel dash cam, a beast of a camera setup that records the front, rear, and inside of your car. If you've been looking for the perfect all-around dash cam for full protection, this one might just be it. True 3-channel 4K plus 1080p recording. The T800 records in 4K Ultra HD for both the front and interior, plus 1080p for the rear. That's triple coverage, so every angle around your vehicle is crystal clear, day or night. Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 Sensor plus HDR Night Vision. With the Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 Sensor, you get sharp details even in low light. Paired with HDR Night Vision, it balances brightness and contrast perfectly, no more overexposed headlights or dark shadows. Built-in Wi-Fi 6 and 4G LTE connectivity. This dash cam has Wi-Fi 6 for ultra-fast file transfers and 4G LTE support, meaning you can access live footage, get alerts, or view clips remotely through the 70my app. Perfect for when you're away from your car. Advanced Driver Assistance System (ADAS). It's not just a recorder, it's smart. The ADAS feature warns you about lane departures, forward collisions, and even helps you stay more alert during long drives. 24-hour parking surveillance mode. With 24H parking mode, the T800 keeps your vehicle monitored even when it's off. Motion or impact triggers instant recording, ideal for keeping your car safe in parking lots. Complete 360 degrees protection, covers front, rear, and interior with top-tier resolution. Great night vision, STARVIS 2 Plus HDR means your footage looks clean even in total darkness. Smart connectivity, Wi-Fi 6 and LTE make remote access super easy and reliable. Price point, with all these features, it's definitely on the premium side. Installation can be tricky. 3 channels and power cables mean setup might take some time, or a professional install. If you want full coverage, incredible 4K clarity, and next-gen connectivity, the 70x4K T800 3-channel dash cam is hard to beat. It's ideal for rideshare drivers, road trippers, or anyone serious about safety. You can check out the full details and get yours using the link below. Backhand index pointing right by the 70my T800 4K dash cam on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe.